Hello everyone, today we're going to do phonics, and these are going to be series of phonics and English lessons where it will benefit you. So we are looking at the long vowel A sound. Now long vowel A sound has a magic E, which completely changes how we read the word. Now, how do you do that? So let's first start with a short vowel A sound. If I have to say k, a, n, short vowel A. So k, a, n, and I can say by putting the magic E as k, a, n, cane. So the sound then becomes as A, not a. Let's try again. So another short vowel A sound. So that is m, a, n, m, a, n. Man. And let's make it into with the magic E, m, a, n, m, a, n, main. Pretty interesting, isn't it? Yes. So let's go for another one. How about k, a, p, cap. K, a, p, cap. And adding a magic E, k, a, p, k, a, p, cape. Good. I think you're doing fantastic. How about t, a, p, tap? Tap. I am just going to add my magic E at the end. Try and read it yourself. Tape. Well done. So that was our long vowel A sound. Remember, magic E makes a big difference. It can also be called a silent E. Try and see and let me know what long vowel A sounds have you found in the comments. Let's see if you find some more. Remember, long A vowel sounds. Bye-bye.